Okay, so I'm back with an unboxing video. So I have the No Bad Days April kit. Yep, got it quite late cause I didn't want to collect it. So okay, we'll start with this first. The pre-order, the 6-month subscription pre-order benefit. So okay, open it. Oh, okay, so we have itzy. Yeah. Okay, then Ryujin, Chirong, and Yuna. Yep, and so back of it like this. Very simple and nice. Okay, I'll just put it back into the plastic. Okay, so now just put it here. Now let's move on to the April kit. So okay, I'll just tear it like this since I don't have a scissors nearby. Okay. Okay. Nice. And so the mini puzzle, really nice. Like so small and compact. I think small little pieces inside. So I won't open this because it might take a while to do. And then the pin button set. So pin, really nice too. It says No Bad Days. Look like the computer graphics. Okay, so next is the photo cards. So just open it. The back is like this. So okay. Oh, it's really like glossy. Okay, so Leah, then Ryujin, Chiryeong, Yuna. Really nice. I really like Yeji's picture. It's so glossy. Okay, put it back into the photo card. Okay, give me a while to put it back. And we'll move on. Okay, so sticker. Really nice. So this one, first one, and then the second one. It's really like cute this time. Can use it for like the refill paper. So I think I haven't really been putting the recent papers in for the refill into my diary, but yeah, I'll do it soon. So the Ryujin birthday card, the postcard thing. Okay, just open it. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, it's really nice. Okay. Wow. Okay, let me focus it. Oh, it's really nice. It's like a pop-up card. Really pretty. And the message. Yeah, really nice. Really like this. Okay, I'll put it back also. Okay. Okay. And then we have the refill paper. So I won't open it because yeah, I'll just leave it at the packet in the packet as it is. So yeah, it looks like this. Okay, so thank you for watching.